Hello everyone, my name is Ans Choju and this is the demonstration video for assignment 4 of our data science course. So in this assignment we're mainly working with the pandas library and we have almost like 30 questions, so we are doing different operations on the panda library. So first of all we're going to do the import of the pandas library, then we're going to load our CSV file that we got to do the assignment with, and then the second question was to show the first three rows of the data frame. So we're using the head function to show the first three rows. Then the other one was delete the model uh, temporarily using access, and we're gonna delete the model permanently as well in the second one. So we're gonna use the drop function up here. Then uh, we're gonna delete 1, 3, and 5 rows. So we're gonna select it using the drop function. And the next one is to calculate the mean of the range column, and we're gonna do that. And the next one is count and replace F in type column with the AAA. So we're gonna do that question. And later on, the other one was removing the special characters from the cost column and display it in first 5 rows. So we're gonna remove the characters like dollar sign, hashtag sign, and we're gonna display the value. And and the next one is check the type of cost after the change. So we're gonna check the cost, and it's object now. So uh, we're gonna change the column data to the integer. So we're gonna declare the as type of as int, so it's gonna convert to int 64. Then calculate the average of cost column and by continent. So we're gonna calculate the mean of the cost column. So this is the data displayed by the cost. And the next thing is we're gonna calculate the minimum, maximum, and standard value by the continent. So we're gonna use aggregation. Um, then we're gonna do the same thing group by the continent. Then we're gonna plotting the data using uh, plotting, and we're gonna plot it up here. This is the data. And the next one is count the number of each continent in the continent column. So we're gonna do the value counts. So and the next one is show the percentage of each continent in the continent. So we're gonna use the value counts and normalize it to true, and we're gonna multiply it by 100. So that's how it's gonna work. Then showing the unique values and number of unique values in the continent. So that one is the unique function. So I'll show you. I think I almost ran everything before, so I just gonna rerun again. Use value counts for method cost column. So this is the value counts again, back again. Then we're just gonna use the histogram to plot the cost column. Then the same thing, we're just gonna change the bins for 50. So just the change of the graph. Then we're gonna check for the missing value. So we're gonna use the isNull function and verify is any value so missing or something like that. Then the next one is drop the rows with any missing values and show how many rows remain. So we're gonna drop the drop any function, and we're gonna use that, and the value we got is 936. And show the value counts for type. So we're gonna count the for the type and NaN values now. And later on, the next question is replacing the missing values in type with XSX. So if we have anything with the null value on the type, like as we found earlier, we're gonna replace it with the XXS. The value gonna be X. So that's there. Then the next question is drop rows with any missing value and show the number of rows. So we're gonna check and drop the missing values again, 936. So we're gonna set an ID for a new index and delete the index name. So that was our question. So we're gonna use set function and just gonna see, yeah, we're gonna change the ID to the ID up here. Then show the value of the cell with the ID 17 and value column. So we're gonna the locate function and check for the value 70 and locate the value, and we're just gonna get the value as 24. Then showing the index of columns and shape of current data frame. So I'm just gonna run. So we have, like, we have multiple questions, and the next one is show the index and shape of current data frame. I think it's gonna give you the same thing back again. Then we're gonna reset the index and show the shape. Um, then and so we're gonna use the describe function and fetch a value. So so that's the value we got using the describe function. Sort the value counts of continent and column alphabetically. So we're gonna sort the value based on the alphabet. So we're gonna use the value counts and sort index. So then show specified rows and columns. So we're gonna look for the 1, 3, 5, and 7, and we're gonna see the rows and columns of that one. So we got that. Then the last one is show the value of rows, types, and equalities. So we get a data type in 64 still up there. Okay, so that was with our assignment with the pandas library. Thank you for watching.